Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a spicy bun at your home. So today I'm going to show you baking dish, guys. So let's start. So for the spicy bun, what you need here, I took 1 by 4th cup of lukewarm milk, 1 by 4th cup of lukewarm water, and into this I'm going to add some olive oil. So here I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoon of olive oil, and into this I'm going to add some salt because I'm going to add the yeast into this. That's why we are adding all these ingredients. So here I'm adding some salt, and I'm going to add this yeast packet into this. So here I am adding 1 packet of yeast powder into this because I'm going to prepare 1 cup of maida. So for 1 cup of maida we have to add 1 packet of yeast, and I'm going to mix all these things together. And after mixing all these things, we have to keep this one in the hot place to ferment. If it ferment, guys, that means the yeast is very good. So I'm going to keep this one in the sunlight. For the bun, take a vessel, add the measuring cup. In this I'm going to add 1 cup of maida. 1 cup of maida. So here I took 1 cup of maida, and I'm going to add half a cup of atta, that is wheat flour, and here I'm adding half a cup of atta, that is wheat flour, and into this I'm going to add some salt as per taste, how much salt you want in your bun. So here I'm adding some salt, and I'm going to add because we are making the spicy bun, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, and here I'm adding some ajwain, which gives a nice taste in this spicy bun. So we can add 1 teaspoon of ajwain, and I'm going to add that yeast water into this, and we have to make dough. So I'm going to add this yeast water into this to make smooth dough. So here my dough is ready, guys. You have to add some olive oil so that it won't stick into your hand. So my dough is ready, and I'm going to cover this one with the lid, and I'm going to keep this one in the sunlight. So if you don't have the sunlight at your place, you can keep it in the warm place like oven or microwave. So yeah, so because the dough has to be fermented again, so we have to make a small ball of the dough, and we have to keep this one in the baking tray, and we have to cook this bun in 180 degree for up to 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to keep this one after 5 minutes. So just now I removed the bun from the oven. So as I said, we have to cook this bun in the oven in 180 degree for 15 minutes, and we have to preheat for 15 minutes. So after removing the bun from the oven, we have to apply some little bit of butter in the top of all the buns. So yeah, so this is my spicy bun, guys. You can have this with tea, or you can give this one for the kids lunch box. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make spicy bun at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.